Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex scalping strategies. Click on the scalping strategies and then you will find here one video called the best Forex scalping strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new trading session video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So guys, this is another kind reminder that today we are going to apply the Fibonacci strategy. And to understand this strategy better, please go to my channel and click on the playlists, and from here select the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategy. This video is gonna explain to you in a brief what kind of a strategy I'm applying in this trading session video. We might also include the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2 to fully understand what I'm doing in this trading session. I'm absolutely not gonna explain the strategies in this video. I'm just gonna open the trades and I will explain to you the reason behind opening them, relying on these strategies. So please make sure that you are watching the strategy videos first before you proceed watching this trading session video. So what I'm doing right now, guys, is actually I'm looking for a setup. Wait a minute, the AUDUSD is showing us something good. That's indeedy. That's really good. Oh my god, place the sell order. Place sell order. Place sell order instantly. Instantly placing sell order. And as you can see, guys, this time the account is small. Actually, it's only $1,800. And of course, with such a small account, we cannot aim $100 profit from each trade. I'm looking for 50 to 70 maybe, until we grow the account, and then we can actually increase our lot sizes. Now, I have to explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Now, first of all, since we are actually applying Fibonacci strategy right now, we can see that I have connected my Fibonacci from this higher high to this lower low. Now, what's happening here is that the market has already reversed from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and most likely is going to continue the fall till it reach 23.6, because this is, of course, the nearest support to the entry. We have placed our trade right here at the nearest resistance. Now, of course, we are not blindly trusting Fibonacci retracement. We have to make sure that our trade is making sense. So therefore, if we look at the left side as well, we can notice right here that we had, of course, my friends, a real level of a resistance. And the market has formed right here a fake breakout from that level. And right now, the same level of a real resistance is going to be respected again. And keep in mind that this is 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which means this is the absolutely trusted level for the reversal. However, I have to adjust the take profit level. I have to make it right here only. Yeah, let's take it, $46. Again, guys, the account is still small and I'm trying to grow it first. Once I reach $2,000, I'm going to increase the lot size to be 1 lot. Until then, I'm going to stick to 70 lot size. So that's, of course, the reason for this trade, and the stop loss was placed there for, of course, investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $46. And also, if the market is going to be able to break out from 61.8 again, that means that it has actually broke out also from the real level of the resistance. That's good. Actually, that means that the the USD pairs are getting ready for the reversals. Let's check them out. All right, so for the Euro USD, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be also 61.8. Check this out. Indeed, also this one was 61.8, but the problem is this is not the first attempt. We are having here already support number 1, and this is, of course, support number 2. That means that this is not really so much trusted setup, and I choose to avoid it. USDCAD also, I think if we check the Fibonacci retracement, it's on 61.8. Nope, it's actually breaking out from 61.8. So therefore, selling right here is not going to be smart. Also on the left side, we don't see a real level of a resistance. We are having the real level of the resistance right here at Fibonacci 100, where I have drawn my Fibonacci retracement. So as you can see, guys, you cannot blindly place sell and buy just because you see the market is on 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Look at the left. We don't see actually a real level of a resistance at 61.8. Therefore, we cannot trust selling the market right here at that level. Let's check the USDJPY. Nothing good here. USDCHF also. That's actually one of the strategies we can do like that. We can absolutely do like this. That's gonna be risky. That's gonna be so risky. I don't want to do it. AUDCAD. Okay, guys. So to save your time, let me know, please. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next decent setup. All right, my friends. For the pound and ZD, we're having something good. Let me just explain to you here before I open the trade. Actually, still we have time. As I told you earlier, guys, we're not going to rely only on Fibonacci retracement. We will also apply the magic of trend lines. And how we can do that? By looking at the pound NZD, we're having right here that level of trend line. As you can see, this was, of course, the real level of a support trend line. The market kept respecting it. However, once the market has met actually the fake breakout from that level, or actually let me say the bearish breakout from that level, it was supposedly to create here a resistance trend line, as you can see, but instead the market just broke out from that level. And the same support trend line has also been respected. Now, how can we get advantage from this? Is by simply drag the same support trend line and just place it right there. As you can see, this was, of course, the nearest support trend line. It was also a resistance trend line, which has been instantly broken out from right on the second attempt of the resistance trend line. Actually, placing the buy order right now, or not now, actually, let me just be sure. Right there. That's gonna be a better idea. We can see that right here the market formed a support trend line, and also this was the nearest resistance trend line to that bullish breakout candle. So let's wait for the market to fall all the way right here to respect the same level of a previous resistance trend line, and then we can place here the buy order. Not only that, of course, but if we look at the left side, we can notice right here that we indeed had a broken level of a resistance exactly right there at 7.00240. Look at that. The candle seems like it's already reversing, but I believe it's going to continue the fall to reach that level of a broken level of a resistance, retesting it to create a new support, and from there I'm going to place the buy order after confirming that the market is indeed respecting that level of a support trend line. Therefore, let me just wait for a few minutes for the market to fall for about 7 pips, and then I will place the buy order. Until then, let me please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later. Alright, so USDCAD here showing us something really interesting, and I think I'm gonna place the sell order right now to avoid losing this setup. And yes, let's risk only $50 from this trade, and the take profit level is gonna be right here. I'm aiming $60 of profit. Of course, guys, I will explain to you the reason behind of this trade. So as you can see, we're having here the Fibonacci retracement drawn from this higher high to this lower low, to this higher low. Now look at that. Pay attention that we're having right here a real level of the resistance, which actually has faced a fake breakout. Then actually we are on Fibonacci 50, which means this is actually a strong level also from the Fibonacci retracement. And now we can notice right here that the market has already formed a first attempt of the resistance, which means the real level of the resistance has indeed been respected. And right now I have placed my trade right on the second attempt of the resistance. And of course, the take profit level was placed right here to be at the nearest support to my entry before Fibonacci 23.6, which means I'm actually aiming approximately like 10 pips or 11 pips only, and the stop loss was placed right there to be just equivalent to the take profit level. So my risk to reward ratio, guys, again is 50-50. Now it's important to mention something. If that was not Fibonacci retracement 50, I wouldn't have placed the trade. I would actually have considered something that maybe the market will continue rising right here to reach that level of the resistance, and maybe that's going to be the best level to sell. But actually seeing that we are right now on the Fibonacci 50, Fibonacci 50 is also trusted just as 61.8, and either way, I mean, we are having right here a zone that the market actually might be ranging between 50 and 61.8, which is usually a good level for the reversal. Not only that, if we look, of course, at the bigger time frame, such as 1 hour time frame, we can notice that the market is on a strong downtrend, and there is a high possibility that the same level of the resistance is also gonna be respected. So therefore I had to place my trade right here as a sell order. So anyway guys, we have right now two trades running. The AUDUSD and the USDCAD. You know something, it just came to my mind that I'm selling against the USD, and here I'm selling the USD. Let's see, sometimes it's actually working. It's not a big deal. That's actually not smart on the bigger time frames, but on 15-minute time frame usually it's not gonna make a big issue. Anyway, let me know please guys, pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these, both of them, these two trades. Yeah, I knew it's gonna be a bad idea. We cannot sell the USD at the same time of buying it. I mean, that was a rookie mistake. I mean, that's guys one of the problems why I cannot really do the live trading sessions. I do a lot of mistakes, and I wasn't actually looking at the pair I'm trading, and I just placed the sell order, hoping for the market to respect those levels. Actually, there is still a possibility that it might respect that level of resistance, but still the price action right here guys is really against this. Therefore, as you can see, yeah, one of them is running in good profit, the other one in big loss. Anyway, $27, it's not a big deal. Let me just close it right now. It's not a big deal at all. We can easily recover that instantly. Now the market is getting more volatility, and therefore we can start selling or buying somewhere. As you can see, of course, the USDCAD trade is running well, and very soon it will hit the take profit level, which is great. It's gonna recover the losses from the EURUSD. All right, so let's continue and see what do we have. I'm just switching between the pairs guys very quickly to find what I can trade. So far nothing really. Euro AUD, no. Euro JPY, no. Sorry, Euro JPY, yeah. Euro pound, no. Euro CAD, no. NZD CAD, no. NZD CHF, no. Oh my god, no. The entire market is no. Very bad. That's really bad. Pound NZD trade hasn't been triggered also. My goodness, it's not really a good market to trade today, eh? Let me see what we can do here for the pound CAD. The pound CAD actually is showing us something very interesting. Fibonacci 61.8 has been hit on the pound CAD. I think it's gonna be the good time. Actually, I need to increase the lot size to be 0.90. It's very trusted. 92, it's okay. Place the buy order, and yes, aiming $100 from this trade, and risking also 100 as well. Fantastic. Let me please explain to you the reason behind of this trade, which is running instantly in profit. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, my friends, on the left side, we are actually on a support zone, which means that this level right here of a support is most likely gonna be respected. And now we can notice that this is also 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, because I have drawn here the Fibonacci from this lower low to this higher, from this higher high, from this higher low to this higher high. And as we can see, the reversal was accurate and exactly on 61.8, and that's the reason we can see the trade right now is running into a profit. Fantastic. The trade is running well. Let's move to the 5-minute time frame to see that more in action. And as you can see, indeed guys, I think it's really clear here that this level, of course, was also a broken level of a resistance, and the market is right now retesting that level of the resistance. So indeed, we are going into a good profit, but the market right now is bad, to be honest with you guys. The market is not really not good at all. I am barely able to find any setups at all. Anyway guys, let's see how these two trades will go. Yes, the USDCAD is running good into the profit. So far, 8 pips of profit, which is more than enough. And the pound CAD is also running in profit of 2 pips. Okay guys, let me know please, pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. And check this out, my friends, everything is running so well. USDCAD is running deep in the profit. It's almost there at the take profit level, less than a pip to hit it. $52 of profit, and close it, get done with it, and just close this trade in profit. Get back to the pound CAD. The pound CAD is also running in a good profit so far of 6 pips, and it's approaching the take profit level. I'm so happy with these two trades. those two trades were so good, really. And the good thing here, guys, is we were selling against the CAD, and I think we are also buying. I think it's fine, should be fine. As you can see, guys, it's sometimes work. As you can see, it's not really mandatory on the small time frames. Let me check the EURUSD. Yes, the EURUSD is still rising, so closing the trade was a good decision. Anyway, let's now find the last setup for today's video, because the market is indeed not that good to be traded, to be honest, guys. I want to get done with this trading session as soon as possible. Therefore, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I find the next trade. Alright, my friends, Euro Pound showing us something very good, and I have to place the sell order right away. Right now, fantastic. First thing, of course, is to place our stop losses to be right here. Let's invest about $90 in this trade. Meanwhile, the take profit level is going to be right here at the nearest support to the entry. Exactly right there. This is, of course, the nearest support to the entry. Now, let me explain to you the reason behind of this trade. It actually got not that much to do with the Fibonacci retracement. This is actually purely support and resistance setup. As you can see, first of all, we are having right here a 0.373, a real level of the resistance, which has been broken out from and being respected again with these two attempts of the support, and then the market has instantly made the bearish breakout from that level. Check this out, guys, already running in profit. Okay, let me now zoom out, or actually let me just scroll to the left to show you something. If I scroll to the left side, now we can see that the same level, my friends, has indeed been a real level of a resistance, as we can see right there. That means that this level has always been so strong as a level of a resistance. Now, to add the Fibonacci retracement to the mix, let me just connect the Fibonacci from this lower low to this higher low, and check this out. We are actually on Fibonacci 50 also, which means the market is most likely right now going to continue the fall towards 61.8, and actually it might exceed it to reach that level of the support. But however, I actually might close this trade in profit if it just exceeded a little bit the 61.8. However, the market is indeed reversing at 50 retracement, because the same level has also been a real level of a resistance. And not only that, if I check now the bigger time frame, such as 1 hour time frame, check this out. That is indeed, if we ignore the Fibonacci right now, we can see that this was a very strong level for this sell. It's actually a perfect setup. That is, my friends, the 20 pips a day strategy. That is exactly the rules of 20 pips a day, or the hit and run strategy. As you can see right now, both of the trades are running in a good profit, and the account is approaching a $1,900. Hopefully, guys, these two trades gonna end up in a good profit, so we can close this video. So anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. Oh my god, guys, as we can see now, both of the trades are running in $100 of profit. I'm going to close this trade, these two trades right now. 1910. Okay, perfect. $1,910 of profit. We closed both of these trades in profit. So again, guys, the video is running in 18 minutes, and I don't want it to be boring. I think it's already boring. But however, guys, this is my trading session. I cannot do anything about it. I just wanted to share with you my session for now. It has been almost like 30 minutes since I have started. I think even more, maybe 40 minutes. But however, that is my trading session. From this small account, I have made $100. And of course, I'm going to continue trading. But of course, it's going to take a while. I mean, the market right now is just really slow at the moment. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is not really the kind of market you want to trade at. Look at that. Look at that. This is just ugly. That is just really ugly. I definitely don't want to trade right here. As you can see, the market is just up and down. It's just going in neutral channel. And even this here, for example, EURUSD, guys, my favorite pair for trading. As you can see, it's not really good at all at the moment. The market is just moving up and down. That doesn't make any sense to me. Even the pound JPY, which is also my favorite pair, also is not moving as I like. Anyway, guys, I think that's gonna be it for now. I will see you today in another midweek analysis video. I'm happy to say also that the gold trade from the weekly signals has also been triggered and running currently in 28 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the other pairs, okay, check this out. The pound USD is almost gonna be triggered. Hopefully, it's gonna be a good deal. The other pairs are far from being triggered. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for now, and I will see you soon in the next midweek analysis video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.